What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been shopping on Temu or you're just about to try it out in 2025, then this video is going to save you a ton of money. Because today, I'm giving you access to some exclusive Temu coupon codes, plus I'll share how you can grab the most updated discount codes anytime, including a $100 Temu discount bundle just waiting for you. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss out. So let's get right into it. Temu has been blowing up because of their crazy deals, but what a lot of people don't know is that they actually have hidden promos and extra coupon codes floating around that most shoppers never use. That's where I come in. I've rounded up some working codes for 2025 that you can use today. Here are some fresh codes you can try right now. Save $100, get a $100 discount bundle for new users. Temu 25 off dollars. Unlock an extra 25% off your entire order. Welcome Fifresesis, grab 50% off your first purchase for new accounts. Free ship 2025, free shipping on any order, no minimum spend. Now, quick tip. Some of these codes may be limited time or get updated quickly, so if one doesn't work, don't worry. I've got you covered with the latest ones in my description. Here's the best part. Below this video, I've dropped a special link that I personally keep updated with the newest Temu coupon codes, promo codes, and special offers that you won't usually find just by browsing the app. That's where you'll always find the most reliable and highest value discounts, including the $100 free discount bundle, daily flash coupons, and even seasonal promos. Why do I recommend using that link? Because Temu changes their codes all the time, and instead of wasting time hunting down expired ones, you can just click through, grab the fresh ones, and check out with maximum savings every single time you shop. So here's what you need to do. Try the coupon codes I mentioned in this video, then head down to the description and use my special link to unlock the full updated list of codes. That way you'll never miss out on any new discounts Temu drops in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to leave free money on the table. Alright, that wraps it up. If this video helped you save money, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deals and coupon updates, and of course, don't forget to grab your exclusive Temu coupon codes through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Sais and happy shopping with Temu.